always say, ama 2000, aya papa, aya shesha, they are two for what they have attitude. But when it comes to wife and number 5, she's the opposite. Maybe she falls under the good group. You never know, because we have the bad group and the good group. Because anything that is bad happening in this country, they will blame ama 2000. If it's raining, ama 2000. If petrol is increasing, ama 2000. If cooking oil price is increasing, they're gonna blame on my 2000. As long as the bad things is happening in this country, they're gonna blame it on my 2000. But anyway, guys, so let's get to start of today. And the rest of the house is somebody pays on the welcome to True Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself. I love you guys. A week ago, we did not know who was the wife in number 5, and she was introduced to us on Return to the Table trailer season 8, and people fall in love with her. Some even went on to follow her. So yesterday, it was the first time wife number 5 posted on her social media after she was introduced to be Musa Mseleku wife number 5, and people were happy. So yesterday, under the comment section, as people were welcoming her, you know what she did? Those people were talking about, hey, Mrs. Mseleku, makotewe too. You know, she did not reply those comments. She only replied those who were talking about her with a caption. She posted a picture with a caption, wake up and makeup, and those were saying, oh Monhle, you're beautiful, your makeup, you look good on you. And she just replied those comments, but those were talking about himself. As you can see, also on her name is still Kwela Samke, guys. If it was somebody else, she would probably have changed it to Mrs. Mseleku wife and number 5. You know one thing about my 2000 in Kosiami, they will do anything, guys. So when it comes to her, it also alleged that she was born in 2000. I guess she fall under the good group, because if it was somebody else, would probably have changed their name or even created a TikTok account to introduce herself. But she's so calm and she's so disciplined. Sometimes you even ask, are you really the old lady that we saw in the trailer on the Table season 8? Are you sure you are Musa Mseleku wife number 5? Because right now we don't know, guys. You know, we never know, because those are trailers. Sometimes it could be lying to us. Do you still remember on Inganiza's Temple season 2, we thought Musa Mseleku's son is paying lobolo to his girlfriend Nompomelo, and they were just paying it damage. So you never know, guys. But one thing I can say about her is that she's so disciplined. She's so disciplined. You can see she's avoiding amakoti, abu Mrs. Mseleku wife number 5. She's avoiding those comments. Maybe it's part of production. I don't know. Maybe it's because she's so disciplined. She understands that, yes, you have seen me on the trailer, but doesn't mean that now sang pape acting like, you know, yes, I'm Mrs. Mseleku. I will change everything, or I will remain like this. Guys, we haven't seen Utan's Tembu. We only saw the trailer, so maybe that's the reason why she's avoiding all the drama and the shendy. But people really love her. I'm not gonna lie, people are welcoming her, people are showing her love. You know, it is a good thing. Anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section. They always say, "I'm 2000 aya papa." Don't you think wife number 5, she's the good one? You know, she fall under the good group. Because if it was me, hey, I would have changed my name from Mrs. Mseleku already, guys. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care.